And now, for a detailed knowledge of Muhammad and Muhammad's life, the important event is that after receiving these revelations, he started preaching about the unity of God in Mecca. So, as we know, the Arabian society was polytheistic. They worshipped many idols and so on. Now, Prophet Muhammad started to preach the unity of God. He even opposed idol worship which prevailed in the society. Due to his preaching, rich merchants of the region were against Muhammad and they forced him to leave Mecca. And he left Mecca and migrated to Medina in 622 century. The event of his migration from Mecca to Medina is known as Hijrah or Hijrat. In Islamic history, the day of Prophet Muhammad shifted from Mecca to Medina marks the beginning of the Hijri era or the Muslim calendar. So, now we are dealing with the topic migration to Medina, that is called Hijrat. So Prophet Muhammad started to proclaim the unity of God, and the people opposed him, and he was compelled to leave Mecca and he migrated to Medina. And this event of migration from Mecca to Medina of Prophet Muhammad is known as Hijrah or Hijrat, and it started the era, Hijri era or the Muslim calendar. In Medina, Prophet Muhammad persuaded people to accept his religion and received an enthusiastic response. So here also, in Medina also, he started to proclaim his religion of monotheism, unity of God. So he often clashed with the trading caravans, and Prophet Muhammad played the role of a leader who settled disputes and also led his people if there was need for battle. So Prophet Muhammad, there he grown as a leader of the society who settled disputes or quarrels, and also he led people in need of, in the occasions of battle, who need security. Later he organized a new theocratic state combining religion and politics and became its ruler. So here starts the Arabian ruling system or the political control. He organized a new theocratic state. Theo means godly, so a state based on the belief of God, combining religion and politics, and became its ruler. So Muhammad was both the prophet of the religion and the ruler of the society. The number of his followers increased. He announced that Kaaba in Mecca would continue to be the place of pilgrimage for Muslims. So Kaaba in Mecca is announced as the place of pilgrimage for Muslims. Prophet Muhammad fell ill in 632 century and left the mortal world in the same year. So Prophet Muhammad died in the year 632 century. Before he left for his heavenly abode, most of the people of Arabian Peninsula had converted to Islam, and he had united Arabia into a single Islamic religious polity. So, the Arabian Peninsula has become a single Islamic religious polity, that is theocratic nation. Islam, the religion promulgated in Arabia by Prophet Muhammad in the 7th century, signifies surrender to God, and a Muslim refers to the one who submits completely to the will of God. So, who is a Muslim? He is one who submits completely to the will of God. They started living in a community during this time, and it was known as Ummah. They started as a living as a community, and the Arabian Peninsula became the Arabian nation. Islam is a strict monotheistic religion that recognizes no other God than Allah, whose mortal prophet was Muhammad. So, Prophet Muhammad was a mortal prophet of Allah, and there is only one God, that's Allah, and no other God.